Good morning to all. This is Swarnam Mukesh, Assistant Professor from the Department of Aerospace Engineering. Today I have gathered with my students to take BMC video, which is on the topic of business model canvas for a relative space company. So, a relative space company operates in the advanced domain of space technology that focus on relative motion, proximity options, and in-orbit interactions between spacecraft. This includes critical applications such as satellite docking, formation flying, debris removal, servicing missions, and autonomous navigation systems. With the rapid growth of the global space economy, driven by the organizations like NASA, ISRO, and private companies such as SpaceX, the demand for precision orbital operations has significantly increased. Satellites are no longer operating independently but are increasingly required to interact, coordinate, and function collaboratively in orbit. The business model canvas BMC that is provides a structural framework to analyze how such a company creates, delivers, and captures value. It outlines key components including value propositions, customer segments, revenue systems, key sources, partnerships, and cost structures. For a relative space company, the core value lies in enabling safe and efficient satellite-to-satellite interaction, advanced autonomous navigation and control systems, in-orbit servicing and repair, space debris mitigation solution. By delivering the innovations in astrodynamics, AI-based guidance systems, and propulsion technologies, the company aims to become a critical enabler in the next generation of space missions. So these are the things which we come across the introduction section. So others will be described by my students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rakshana from second year Aerospace Engineering. Today I am going to talk about business model canvas related space company. Customer segments: government space agents like ISRO and NASA, private satellite companies such as SpaceX, defense and military space programs, satellite operators, space research institutions and universities. Value proportion: precision, relative navigation and docking systems, autonomous proximity operations, AI-based guidance, in-orbit servicing and repair solutions, space debris tracking and removal support, increased mission safety, efficiency and lifespan of satellites. Channels: direct contracts with space agents, partnerships with space company, industry conference and expos, government tenders and defense procurement portals, technical publication and research collaboration. Coming to customer relationships: long-term contracts and mission-based collaboration, technical support and integration assistance, custom solution for each mission, continuous R&D partnership with clients. Revenue stream: government project funding and contracts, licensing of navigation, control software, sale of onboard system, sensor docking modules, subscription for tracking and monitoring services, consulting and mission design services.
Hello, myself Aman from Business College, currently pursuing my PE degree, and now I want to talk about the key resources and key activities. Expertise in astrodynamics and control systems, advanced simulation software and AI algorithms, skilled in aerospace engineers and researchers, and ground facilities and labs are also gathered. Intellectual properties like patents and design are also done by the way. And talking about the key activities, research in the development in relating missions and guidance systems were also done. Software developments like AI navigations were also gathered. AI hardware designs, docking mechanisms, sensors, testing like simulation testing and real-world validations, collaboration with large providers, and about partnerships, large providers like SpaceX, government agencies like ISRO, universities and research labs like Stanford, defense organizations and component manufacturers are there all together. Talking about the cost structures, high research and development investments are happening, and manufacturing and testing costs are also related to slightly high, and direct acquisitions is needed.
Strategic facilities: Cap Canaveral's Space Launch Complex 16 and NASA's Stennis testing site for operation and validation. Financial backing: $2.4 billion plus funding raised from high-profile investors including Erics, Minit, and Trigger Global. Key partners of NASA were exclusive 25-acre rocket testing complex lease at Stennis Space Center for engine validation and qualification, satellite operators, launch service agreements with the space companies for reliable payload delivery to orbit, innovation partners,
Hey guys, I'm Mark Sangha from Aerospace Department. The business model Canva BMC provides as a framework to analyze such as company create delivery, value, outline key components including value, produce customer, revenue stream key versus partnership. Customer statements, private satellite companies such as SpaceX,